Ever had a great video idea but scrapped it because you didn't want to? If this video helped, you didn't want to show your face or set up all that camera gear? Here's the thing about faceless channels, they work. Some creators are making millions without ever showing their face. But what if you could have the best of both worlds? A realistic avatar that looks and sounds exactly like you? But Google just dropped something game-changing called Gemini Omni Flash. It creates an avatar clone of you that says whatever you want in your voice. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to your own AI avatar for free without any equipment and generate clips that look like they came from a studio.
Now you go to the Google Flow website and click on Create with Google Flow button. Click on the account setting and click on Create Avatar and then click on Get Started. Scan the QR code with your phone. Click on this link on your phone and follow the instruction as guided. You can now return to your laptop. Now you go to the Pinterest website and type podcast studio. That will bring up many different images. Scroll down and select the one you like and save on your computer. Now go to the ChatGPT and upload that image and type the prompt, remove the subject, and what it does, it recreate that image without the subject, and then you download that image and save on your computer. Now upload the same image on ChatGPT and write the prompt, describe the scene. Now go back to the Google Flow website and click on New Project. On this window, simply disable agent and go to the setting. Here you choose the quantity 1 and select the aspect ratio 16:9 and also select Omni Flash and extend the window for 10 seconds. Now in the prompt box, select plus and then add your avatar that you created on your mobile phone. It tells the Omni Flash regarding your face and voice. If you don't enter, Omni Flash will create. Now copy the scene that you created in ChatGPT here in this prompt box and modify the dialogues that you would like your avatar to speak on. Also add the studio image that we created without the subject on this prompt box. Now submit the prompt and start the process for creating an avatar. It may take few seconds. Now your avatar is ready to play.
Welcome to AI for Basic People. Today, I'm showing you how to create your own AI avatar for free.
And now follow the same process and just change the dialogue in the above prompt and keep generating your avatar videos.
This is just the beginning of what's possible with AI avatars. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one.